Guess the Malayalam and Telugu words.
Telugu word. Akasham.
Akasham. Sky.
Oh, Malayalam में क्या?
Sneham.
Friendship.
नहीं.
Love. Telugu word. Varsham.
Varsham. Maya. Rain. Sandhya. Sandhya.
Sunset. Sun.
अल्ला.
संध्या. संध्या तेलुगु में भी है.
What is the meaning?
Sunset.
अल्ला. Time out. Sorry. Evening. Evening.
Sunset का टाइम नहीं होता है.
Next your words.
कुंडा.
कुंडा. Body part.
No.
Flower.
Close.
Plant.
Close.
Tree.
No.
Don't know.
Pot.
Okay. Good. Chitram.
Movie.
Yeah. Good.
Alludu.
Alludu. Allu Arjun.
No.
Alludu. Relative, I think.
Some relative.
Alludu. Brother-in-law. Cousin.
Brother-in-law नहीं. Close.
Alludu. Father-in-law.
Close.
Father. Uncle. Alludu. I don't know.
Son-in-law.
Oh. Okay. Nani.
Thank you.
Okay. Next.
I know more Malayalam than you.
Yeah, I'm going.
Gadiyaram.
Gadiyaram. Clock.
Hindi.
It's Hindi. Maya.
Varsham.
Okay. Good.